Blessings, everyone, and welcome back to Elite Jamaica. We have all been waiting for the results of Kevin Smith's autopsy, and also we have been wondering if anyone is gonna take over from him, as in run the church. Well, we have the autopsy results, and also I have a video of a pastor saying that he's searching for Kevin Smith's lost sheep to bring the herd back together. So we're gonna see about that. I'm gonna show you the video, guys, and you're gonna let me know what you think. Also, police in St. Andrew, they had made a big bust over there and seized several vehicles, arms and ammunition. All of that coming up right now, right after you give the video a big thumbs up.
I have the bees. I have the land. Oh, you're still not clapping yet.
Late Pastor Kevin Smith, also known as the cult pastor, and the police constable Orlando Irons, both died of multiple blunt force injuries, the autopsies have revealed. The autopsies on the bodies were conducted Monday at Archer's funeral home in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. And if you look, guys, in the video, that is the body leaving the funeral home. Smith, who was head of the Pathways International Ministries, and Irons were killed in a car crash in Bagwalk on October 25th, as police transported the controversial pastor from St. James to Kingston to be charged with murder in relation to the alleged ritual killings at the church earlier in the month. 2 days after his death, Smith was posthumously charged with 2 counts of murder: conspiracy to commit murder, illegal possession of firearm and ammunition, wounding with intent, and shooting with intent. And right now, they might investigate as to the stone crusher killing with it gone. You know, we're gonna get to that in another video. What do you think about the autopsy results? And do you think posthumous charges are relevant? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below.
People them say them come and look for Kevin Smith, people them a mobile. Run out of gas and stop at my church. Want release prophecy.
Now, this next story shows that misery loves company. There's this video circulating on social media with this pastor. I think he's from Kingston or from St. James, but he turned up in Montego Bay searching for Kevin Smith's lost flock. Wants to put the herd back together. Guys, me no know, you know. I swear I don't know. But I'll let you all be the judge of it. Let me know what you all think. See the video here.
See him there. Want release prophecy in my church and me tell him no. See them? See her?
Then you want to set the word up with the family, adopt the family.
Eh? See them? Then I go say me. I do what have you. I take picture of anybody.
You just did it, and you say that is your right. That is your right. You can't have it both ways.
Come to Mobile say he's looking for Kevin Smith flock to gather them back together. Running out of gas stop at our ministry. Huh? Jamaica, be aware of them. Gathering back Kevin Smith people. Gathering back Kevin Smith people. Coming to my house saying he's running out of gas. Saying he get a word that my church is split. Eh? I denied it. I said, no sir, nothing wrong house. Eh?
But he said it. No, he said it as well. I couldn't be the mission. He just said it that I couldn't diminish the lady and took her outside.
Oh Lord Jesus. Oh, you're going to get back to Kingston today, sir? But make him get on him way, because this is more than absurd.
Many churches in Jamaica that will shut them down completely.
What's the name of your church, sir? That's the same man you came, say you look. Yes, sir.
Police seized 2 firearms and 3 motor vehicles during an operation in sections of St. Andrew. 2 people were taken into custody for questioning at the end of the clampdown. Reports are that personnel from the Constant Spring Police Station along with the Metro Quick Response Unit that are the bike man them conducted a targeted raid at premises in Retreat Lane, Kingston 8 in search of wanted men, illegal firearms and ammunition. During the operations, 6 premises with 8 dwellings, 2 vehicles and 13 persons were searched. 2 9mm pistols with 2 magazines containing 31 cartridges, collectives were found on one of the premises that police had to use force to enter.